In this tip, we'll see how to manipulate string case using the set command. Consider this sample input string. Our goal is to change the lowercase characters at the start of each word to uppercase. So we can use a word boundary and match a word character. And in the replacement string, we are going to use a escape sequence backslash and lowercase u. This will uppercase whatever character comes next. So we can use ampersand to back reference the matched character. So you can see the starting character for each word is now uppercase. Similarly, we can use backslash and lowercase l to lowercase the character that comes next. Let us see another example. We want to match a sequence of lowercase followed by underscore followed by another lowercase character. And then we want to change this sequence to this particular lowercase character followed by uppercase version of this second character. So we need to match a lowercase character followed by underscore and another lowercase character. In the replacement section, the first character is unchanged. So we can simply use backslash 1 and then we need to uppercase the second character. So we'll use backslash and lowercase u followed by backslash 2 to represent this character. Next, let us see how we can change the case of multiple characters at a time. So let us change all the characters to lowercase. So we can use dot star to match all the characters. And now we'll use backslash uppercase L. So this will lowercase all the characters that come next. Similarly, if we use backslash uppercase U, then all the characters that come next will be uppercased. When you use uppercase L or uppercase U, the conversion will be stopped if you use the other escape sequence or if you use backslash uppercase E. Let us see some examples. We are going to match lowercase words separated by underscore. So this is the first word and then we have underscore followed by another sequence of lowercase alphabets. In the replacement section, we are going to change all of this to uppercase and leave this match as it is. So we'll use backslash uppercase U followed by backslash 1. So whatever text is matched by this captcha group will be uppercased. Now we want to leave this portion alone. So we are going to use backslash uppercase E to stop this conversion. So you can see only this part is uppercased and this is left alone. Here we are going to match words that are separated by colon character. So match one word followed by colon and another word. We are using the I flag. So both lowercase and uppercase will be matched. Now in the replacement section, we are going to use uppercase L to lowercase the characters matched by the first captcha group. And then we are going to use uppercase U to change the characters matched by the second captcha group to all uppercase. So to summarize, backslash uppercase E will stop the conversion and the opposite escape sequence will affect the remaining characters. Finally, let us see a couple of examples where escape sequences are used next to each other. So this is our input string. Let us match any of these 4 words, and in the replacement we are going to keep the first character as uppercase and rest of them as lowercase. So to do so, we can use escape sequences next to each other, and the order is important here. Backslash and lowercase u will uppercase only the next character, and for the remaining characters backslash uppercase L will be in effect, so they will become lowercase. So you can see first character is uppercase and rest are lowercase. The same thing applies for the reverse. So we can uppercase remaining characters and lowercase only the first character of the word. Hope you enjoyed this tip.